Navigating the Financial Connection Center in Docyt. Adding a bank account to a management group in the Financial Connection Center lets Docyt download banking transactions and access other features. The Financial Connection Center provides you with an overview of all the financial institutions connected to your businesses within the platform. Link existing or new bank accounts. Begin by logging into your Docyt account. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click on Financial Connections. Select Connect to add a new financial institution. Pick Connect to a new financial institution from the choices. You'll be directed to select a management group. If you are linked to a single Docyt account, you'll see one management group. If you're associated with multiple Docyt accounts, a list of management groups will be displayed. Choose the appropriate group and click Continue. Docyt integrates with Plaid to establish a secure, continuous connection between your bank and Docyt. Click on the black Continue button when the Plaid window pops up. Type in your bank's name in the pop-up window and follow the on-screen prompts to securely validate your financial accounts. Continue following the steps outlined in this video until all your financial accounts have been linked. After achieving this, proceed to the next phase, mapping the financial institution connections in Docyt.